Why can't I even figure this out? I don't think all the colors are not in the right place. Oh, hey! You know, I just wanted to just keep solving this stupid Rubik's Cube. And I really had, like, so much you know? But I don't know why. I've been trying, but all I got is these greens going like this. That doesn't count. But I don't think this stupid Rubik's Cube is not in the right place. Let's try it this way. This isn't right. Oh well. You know, I want to talk to you guys about something. If you know how to solve this Rubik's Cube, please post a comment in the comment section below. And I want to let's work on getting 30 subscribers. So, I want you guys to subscribe to me. And make sure you subscribe. Because if you don't, the Rubik's Cube gets it. Stupid. But, I don't care. I got at this again, but now huh. Okay, that was weird. Crap. Alright. Yeah. You know, I love Rubik's Cubes. Even though I'm not good at them, I really enjoy it playing with these things, because I just exercising my hands. Oh, and by the way, I'm gonna be doing a special, so just you wait. So yeah, on the stupid Rubik's Cube can just cooperate with me, God. Oh, and also, my brother is coming over. Like, my brother is coming over for the weekend, so you will, so he's gonna be in my videos. So just you guys wait. Just can't solve this thing. Huh. Well, stupid Rubik's Cube won't want to cooperate. I just want to smash it on the ground into a billion pieces. Well, I try. So, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you haven't. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.